FilmOraGo Part 2. So let's edit the video. Press the subtitle, then tab add and type your message here, and you can choose position of the message, colors, font, and you can type anything that you want, and you can change also color, and white color I think is so good. And also you can change like length of the message. This video actually I am editing for me, and you can find this video on my YouTube channel. And just follow me how I am editing the video for me. And you can see that I am fixing the message length, then that how long it appear on the screen. This is a very good Android app, and you can use anywhere, anytime, easily. Even you are at home or you are traveling in bus or train, this app goes with you, and you can use it anytime. This is a very good app, and when you use it, then you feel that it's very easy to use. Did you see how I am editing my video for myself, for my YouTube channel? If you need my help, then you can contact me via message, and I can help you. But if you want to use app for your Android phone or tablet, then you should download this app, FilmOraGo. Also you can add a music, but not your own music, because YouTube not accept your own music. You can find the music from the FilmOraGo, that you can put the music for like a background of your edited videos. I will tell you from where you can search the music for your videos. Even you can cut the length. Also you can copy your clip. I am sure that this video is helping you so much. And if you like my video, then please remember to share, subscribe and press the bell icon button for the next video. And you can add emojis. You can add anything that you want. Really, this is a very good app. I am just rechecking my clip and fixing some mistakes that I had already in my messages. And here is the music that you can find from the music option, and then you can add like a background of your edit videos. I'm going to tell you again that you cannot use your own music as like a background because YouTube not accepts. Now my video is ready now. I hope that you like my video, and if you really like, then please remember to share, subscribe and press the bell icon button for the next video. And when your video is ready, then remember to press the save button. And when saving project is under process, then please remember that don't press the cancel button. Thanks for watching, viewers. I will be come back soon with the new one, and I hope that you like my video. And once the saving project is complete, then save to camera roll, and then you can find a saved video from your gallery, phone gallery. Thanks once again and take care. Bye.